What's going on, guys? This is a really quick video, but I saw Michael's video on this, and now I really want to get Windows XP on my Nintendo Switch. Hold up a second. Okay, now we have disassembled the Nintendo Switch. Now we need to reassemble it to preserve the integrity of the setup. One, two. Alright, the only thing left is to get Windows XP on it. But where's Windows XP? There it is. Alright. Carefully. Oh man, this is perfect. Look at this. We've got Windows XP on Nintendo Switch. This is huge. Nobody has ever done this before. Okay, let me... Oh,